Good morning, Year 5, and welcome to your SPAG session. So on Monday, you had a look at homophones and you were working out which one was the verb and which one was the noun to go into a sentence. Today, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be actually creating just your own sentences, practicing the spellings of those homophones. So you'll end up writing about 10 sentences. Remember that in school, our SPAG sessions are only half an hour, so that's why the activities tend to be a bit quicker. First of all, let's have a look at our word of the day. Okay, so the word of the day for today is inevitable. Something is certain to happen and cannot be avoided. So our examples are: if the war lasted, our defeat seemed inevitable, and they were just waiting for the inevitable to happen. There should be a comma after lasted there because it's a front adverbial. Synonyms are unavoidable, inescapable, sure, certain, assured, or fated. Antonyms or its opposites are uncertain, preventable, avoidable. Suffix, you can make it into an adverb, so it will inevitably snow today, for example, would be a way of making inevitable an adverb to say that it will definitely snow. So can you have a go at writing a sentence using the word inevitable or inevitably? Okay, then, so let's remind ourselves of what a homophone is. So homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and often different spellings as well. And we talked about how homo means same and phone means sound. So the word literally translates as the same sound. So we're going to have a look at some pairs of homophones on the next slide. And your job is to create your own sentence for each word. And at the end of the sentence, just tell us whether the homophone you are using is a verb or a noun. So you're going to end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sentences. You've got guessed, which is a noun, and guessed, which is a verb. If you're not sure of the meaning of any of these, then please feel free to use Google or use a dictionary to find out. We've got missed and missed, past and past, heard and led. Be careful with led because that can also be pronounced lead depending on what context that you are using the word in. So led here is the noun, it's the compound, it's what you find in pencils, for example. And led, LED, means I led a group across on a walk, for example. So I look forward to seeing your 10 sentences. If you're not sure what any of the words mean, then please do use Google or use a dictionary to find out. And please use the slide information to make sure that your spellings are correct when you're using the scaffold within Teams.